We have recently completed a 3-year field study across 77 different apartments on campus aimed at evaluating the effectiveness of 2 different mechanisms for getting the students to reduce their consumption. One is feedback, the other is motivation. Tablet displays were installed in the students' living rooms to provide them with real-time utility use feedback. Our workshops were designed to inform and motivate pro-environmental behavior. For example, we found that long showers were commonly the culprit of an apartment's high water consumption. So we created targeted messages about shower water use within the feedback system and actually saw significant reductions. Students who were provided motivation used 21% less hot water compared to students that were not motivated to conserve. We saw the same pattern for daily electricity use per person. In general, behavioral modification programs only see between 5 to 12% reduction in utility use, so even though our savings are already at 21%, we still think that we can do better. Let's put that 21% into perspective. What does this actually mean? Well, within these 4 buildings, that's a utility bill reduction of about $2,700 every year. If this project were expanded across campus, we would expect a savings of about $50,000 every year. If this program was implemented at a national level, we could potentially save universities around $400 million annually. Moving forward, we want to answer 2 basic questions. Can we deploy a system that requires fewer sensors that enables the same feedback? And also, how do we better integrate the motivational component with the feedback? To answer both of these questions, we need to continue the development of an improved interface. We need to pilot several laboratory studies to evaluate our new design, and after collecting preliminary field data, we can implement the larger rollout across the 4 buildings that are already equipped with the feedback system.
Our long-term vision is that campuses across the country can implement smarter housing to motivate their students to conserve energy and water. Funding through this competition will help transition from a highly successful research project into a scalable solution that can be implemented on other campuses. Thank you. We really appreciate your consideration of this project.